Hey there, this is Jennifer from Word Art World. Today I'm going to show you how to add some color to a simple word art design that's just in black with a transparent background. So here you can see this is the transparency behind it. If I add in a background, you can kind of see the letters a little bit better. So I'm going to leave that there just for the purpose of adding color. So the first thing that we're going to do is come over to our layers palette, and we're going to click on the layer that we want to add color to, which is our word art. And on your keyboard, go ahead and press the Command or Control key, hold that down, and while you're pressing the key, then you're going to come over to your layers palette and click on inside that little preview of the word art. That adds these little marching ants that go around the whole design. So once that's selected, we can come over here and pick the color that we want, and then we'll use our paint bucket tool and just fill it in. And it pretty much just fills in all of those pixels that are within those marching ants. I tend to click on it a couple times just to make sure that it fills in everything. So that's just good practice to do that. Once you're done filling the colors the color that you want, go ahead and click Command or Control D, and it takes away those marching ants. So there we have our design in red. So sometimes we have designs that are separate, right? The word photo is separate from the word shoot. And so if you want to fill in everything all at once, let me show you how you can do that. Same thing, you're going to hold the Command or Control key down and then press inside that preview. And then you're going to come up here and you're going to see contiguous at the very top. And that means if it's checked, it's just going to fill in the parts that are connected. So this word photo is in a nice script font, and they're all of these letters are connected. So when I click it, it's just going to fill the entire word. It's not going to affect the word shoot here at the bottom. So if I want the entire word art to be colored in, then I will uncheck that box right there, and it's going to fill in everything that's black, just like that. So let's say that you want to have the top word in red and the bottom word in blue. So this is how you do that. You keep those marching ants going, fill in the top. Whoops, let me check my contiguous button. Fill in the top, and then come over and grab whatever blue or whatever color you want to use. Let's pick one that's good for, there we go. And if that is unchecked, then that means if I click on this, it's going to pick up all the black pixels and change them to blue. So that's a very easy way to do that. If you just want a few of the letters blue and the other ones yellow, then you're going to click the contiguous button and just select the parts of the design that you want colored. And then you're going to come over here and pick a different color. I'm just randomly picking colors here. Those don't look great, but okay, so that kind of shows you that you can go ahead and change anything just using those little marching ants and the contiguous button. All right, that's it for today. Please be sure to check out my other tutorials.